Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a wavy line muck dyed shirt. I prepped the shirt like normal and I have it turned inside out. The shirt I'm using is also a V-neck. I want to fan fold the shirt horizontally. So to do that, I'm going to fold the shirt in half. Then I'm going to take the hem of the shirt and fold it back down to the main seam. I'm going to do that a second time as well. So this is the width that I want my fan folds to be. So if you'll notice, I'm taking my hand and I'm kind of making seams or creases in the shirt. That way I can partially unfold the shirt and make the fan folds this width. So the top portion of the shirt that isn't fan folded yet, I'm going to take and pinch that seam where my fan folds meet the part of the shirt that is not fan folded. Lift the shirt up off the table and turn it over. Now because I already have the width of my fan fold set, I can just fan fold the rest of the shirt into what I've already fan folded. So for a little added design in the shirt, I'm going to take this entire horizontally fan folded shirt and fold it in half. To hold my folds in place while I'm tying the shirt, I'm going to use some plastic clothespins. Now using a straight edge and a washable marker, I'm going to measure the shirt and try to divide it into equal sections. For this shirt, I ended up drawing a line on the shirt about every 3 inches. That's where I'm going to add my sinew lines. I'm going to place a sinew line everywhere where I've made a mark on the shirt. And I'm also going to tie the sinew at a slight diagonal angle on the shirt. I'm using sinew for this design because I want everywhere that I place a sinew line to remain white. Because I'm going to muck dye this shirt, it's going to be down inside of the melting ice that's mixed with the dye. So the sinew, because it's wax coated, won't allow that mixture to get underneath this line. By the way, if you're wondering, that's all muck is whenever you ice dye, the runoff of the dye that's mixed with the melting ice, that runoff is called muck. My roll of sinew actually got damaged, and so part of the sinew is a little raveled or cut. So you'll see me have to mess with my sinew a little bit and pull off some of those areas that are damaged. Okay, so it's time to begin dyeing the shirt. I've placed it down inside of a plastic bowl, and then I'm going to place ice directly on top of the shirt. Over the top of the ice, I'm going to sprinkle some Citrus Got Real, Pagoda Red, and Deep Yellow, which are all Dharma Trading Company colors. Then over the top of the dye, I'm going to add a little bit of additional dry soda ash. I'm going to put the shirt aside and allow all the ice to melt. I left the shirt for at least 24 hours after all of the ice melted. Then I took the shirt to my utility sink, dumped out the muck, and began rinsing the shirt in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. I then untied the shirt and warmed the water up to hot to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. When the water was running almost clear, I put the shirt into my washing machine along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent and washed it using a hot water cycle. Then after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? So I really like the way this shirt turned out, which kind of surprised me because if you watch a lot of my videos, you know I'm a little bit intimidated to use orange and yellow. And so I kind of pushed myself out of my comfort zone with this shirt and I decided to try something that I wouldn't normally do. And I really like it. I think that the combination of the three colors that I used mixed together really well on this shirt to give quite a bit of dimension to the shirt. And I like the lines on the shirt. Folding the shirt in half after I fan folded it made the lines more wavy instead of just straight. And I think that's a cool effect on this shirt. So overall, I really like this shirt. And if you've enjoyed the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.